Welcome back, G here, back with another video. Thinking to change my setup of my solar panels on the van because I have borrowed another panel from my brother-in-law and it works so much better. It has 405 watts. And a month ago I was buffing my solar panels because it was fading away, and it went back to its previous state, which I'm not happy about. Now this solar panel produces so much power at the moment. It's 30 volts, 1.3 amperes, no sun. Okay, 13 volts on the battery and charging current 3 amperes. When it's sunny, it's going to increase up to 9. And the sun is shining. It works so much better. I haven't seen such a current in this tracer solar charge controller, and these numbers extremely satisfying to see. Of course, the size of the panels is different. I'm thinking maybe I can change the input, and let's say I'm going to use this setup, and when I want to camp or something, I'm going to place smaller panel somewhere around the camper van and add it to the system, and it's going to double the power. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.